Look, you're not losing because you're bad. You're losing because the setup is built that way. You enter where they want you to. You exit where they need you to. That is not reading. That is getting used. I stopped chasing the price. I started watching what they don't teach. The real reason price moves. Now I don't trade. I dominate the market. And once you see it, you won't trade the same way again. If I want to buy 1,000 smartphones, I need a seller who sells 1,000 smartphones, but it is not possible. A single seller only sells like 100 smartphones. So let's assume we have 10 sellers. So combining all of their smartphones, we have 1,000 smartphones. This logic applies the same in the stock market. Big player, as I said earlier, they have a hell lot of money. So when they buy or even when they sell in millions, right? And a single retailer don't have that much amount of money. So what they do is they combine the strength of retailers and they trap them all. Okay, so here the market is falling or the market is bearish, and this is the mindset of a retailer. Every retailer have taken a short position here and eventually got stopped out. Why? Because this is a complete false move, or you can call it as a trap. Because as I said earlier, when big players want to buy something, they will sell first because they want you to think like a seller and start selling from there. So when they get sellers, they can buy in millions, right? So as you can see the false move, and the next move goes like this. Like, see this. Come on guys, see this. Okay, here's a continuous example. From here, as you can see, the market is bullish. It is completely bullish, right? So people are buying from here. Especially retailers are thinking that the market is very bullish, we can buy from here. But that is a mistake as well. Why? Because if you took your target till here, then it is okay. But from here, as you can see, they trap them all. As you can see, first they induce this buyers, they induce them, they make it look like, oh, everyone is selling, we should sell as well. But that is wrong. They take them all. Like, that's all guys, that's all you need. Just understand the false move and trade with them. Do not trade against the market. Trade with them, or you will be the liquidity. You cannot beat the market. They can beat the market, and they have the money to beat the market. You don't have the money. Or if you try to beat the market, you will eventually keep losing all of your money.